video.
Yeah, head on entrance. Outside is the gate. And that is the door of the escape. This is 240 ml. That is the beginning of the cave. Now we are going inside. Yes. We come from there. There is the one. We are going here with my teams. And you can see that it's going down also. That is the big cave. You can see it's going down very, very far. And so many bugs there. That is the furnace here. Oh, there is a bird also. You can see this bird is coming inside. Maybe have a. And that is the big room for this cave. You can see this is the poem. That is like this. This bird is here. It's lying, sitting there. And we disturbing him. And that is also on the ground. So we can't continue the movie because it's 2 steps down. And you can see this rope, holding the rope, holding the flashlight, holding the phone. Difficult to make the movie. The video was still, I'm trying to have a short one. This is totally down. And but the sound of my feet is like a slip. The stone is slippery. Then it's terrible. I'm holding the rope, holding the flashlight. In the video for you guys to see how to we go and suffering for those tunnels, to give you the view to see anyway. And you see, it is dropping down. You see this one. That is one side and that is the other side. Wow. So far and so long. Oh, I don't know. This is my job here for today. Clean up this one. Because part of the story, this one. You can see the whole. Okay, thank you.